morning, student. Today we are going to learn a very much important question which asked in May 21 4 mark. So let's start. Obtain electric field due to dipole at a point lie on axis and equator. So first of all, here we learn electric field due to dipole only for axis point. So let's start. First of all, we draw the figure. Electric dipole, minus charge, plus charge, distance of midpoint A and A. So total distance 2A. We want to find the electric field at a point P, which is situated at a distance R from the midpoint of dipole. So, the distance of point due to positive charge, that is R minus A, and distance of negative charge from of point P, that is R plus A. So first of all, we have to write 2-3 line for description as shown in figure. Consider the electric dipole moment of magnitude P equal to Q into 2A. We want to find the electric field at a point P which is situated at a distance R from the midpoint of dipole. Okay? So as we know that electric field due to positive charge outward, electric field due to negative charge inward. Okay, so here electric field are in opposite direction, so we have to subtract them. So first of all, electric field due to positive charge, so we can write E1 KQ upon distance square into P caret. P caret show the direction of electric dipole. Okay, equation number 1. Same. Electric field due to negative charge E2 minus KQ upon distance square so now net electric field at axis E1 plus E2. Now put the value of equation number 1 and 2. So here KQ is common. 1 upon R minus A square minus 1 upon R plus A square. P caret. Here A minus B, A plus B. So A square minus B square. A square minus B square whole raised to square. So here we open this bracket and multiply with 1. First term square, second term square, 2 into first second term. Similar, we open the bracket and multiply with minus 1. So first term square, second term square, 2 into first second term. Here R square A square, R square A square cut. Therefore 2 plus 2 4. So electric field at axis KQ 2 plus 2 4 AR. In that term we just separate 2A to make an electric dipole, and here is 2R upon R square minus a square raised to square. Q into 2a, that is electric dipole moment P. R square minus a square raised to 2. Here we consider a case. If R is greater than A, therefore A is neglected. Therefore, two kpr, 2 2s are 4, cut. So finally we get 2 kp upon r cube into p caret. So this is the electric field due to dipole at a point lie on axis. So similar, we can find the electric field at equator point. Now we obtain the electric field due to dipole for a point lie on equator. Let's start. First of all, we draw the dipole. Minus q plus q. The point lie on a bisector between the line joining of two charges at a distance r. So now electric field due to positive charge outward, electric field due to negative charge inward. Here angle is theta, the distance of midpoint A. So here we get the two component of electric field. One is E plus cos theta and another is E minus cos theta. E sin theta component equal and opposite direction, so cancel each other. Now the distance of the point P from the both charges, here adjacent side, and r square, so we can write hypotenuse r square plus a square raised to 1 by 2. So let's we start. Electric field due to positive and negative charge. Here both the electric field in same direction. So E plus E minus kq upon distance square. So r square plus a square 1 by 2 and square. So we get E plus E minus kq upon r square plus a square. So now net electric field at equator. Now E plus E minus cos theta. Now both electric field are same, so we can write 2E cos theta. Put the value kq upon distance cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse. Here we arrange the formula k q into 2a r square plus s square 1 and 1 by 2, so 3 by 2. Now q into 2a, that is p. But here we take the condition. If R is greater than A, therefore A is neglected. So our equation becomes E equator Kp A square is 0, 2 cut, R raised to cube. But here we write negative because the direction of dipole is negative to positive charge and the direction of electric field is positive to negative charge. Both the direction of dipole and electric field are equal and opposite direction. So here we write negative. Right? Negative sign indicate that direction of E and P is opposite. Okay, done. And here one more MCQ. The electric field due to point charge is varies 1 upon R square, but electric field due to dipole is varies with distance 1 upon R cube. Another MCQ. The ratio of E axis upon E equator, and we take modulus. So the ratio is 2, and if they ask E equator upon E axis, so ratio is 1/2 or 0.5. Okay, best of luck. Hari Om. This is the most important theory.